Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. We are featuring the Fragrant Layers stamp set. It does come in a bundle. I'm not going to use it. I just like the cherry blossoms, and this is just a quick card that I wanted to put together for a birthday. So I have Petal Pink here. It seems to be quite juicy, my Petal Pink. And then I have Calypso Coral. And what I'm going to do is take my finger dauber and sort of deepen the middle part of those cherry blossoms. I know springtime's over. I'm feeling the vibe. So, and also I just needed to do a quick card for you guys today. I've been quite busy at the salon, and I'm surprised that this even came out somewhat on time. So one of the things that I've often suggested is you guys just click that subscribe button. Apparently 50% of you are just casual watchers and haven't subscribed. You should subscribe and then click the little bell, and it's going to give you an email of when I post, so you're not going to miss anything. Anyway, this is Secret Sea, and I've often said this is the new black. It's beautiful. It's like a dark gray. It's not as harsh as black, and it goes very nicely when you have, like when you want a little bit of a softer edge to this card. So I have the measurements out there because you asked, and I'm happy to help. This piece of designer series paper is called Paper Medley, and I quite like this design, to be honest. This is a Petal Pink cardstock, and I put adhesive on the back of that designer series paper. We're going to stick it right to the end of the card. Like I said, simple layout. Sometimes, you got to just do a simple layout, and a quick and easy card to put together. You can use up some of your designer series paper, and you have a really nice focal piece. So here we are. I'm going to put that on dimensionals, and then I'm going to go in. I didn't measure it, but I have a random piece of basic white that I am going to second generation stamp. So I just breathed on it, and I wanted to make sure it's kind of in the same orientation, because I didn't want the mark of where it went over the paper on the front of the card. So I sort of copied it, and this, because I have to stamp on the inside of the card, and this way you can write your message right over top of this. But anyway, so these little flowers are called, they're so pretty, adhesive back blooms. I love them. Love them. So I had to put them on my blossoms. So anyway, I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Leave me a lovely comment, and I will be back on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.